Okay guys, welcome back to part 2, and right now it's loading. It's another loading procedure to finish with the wipe. So let's be patient again and let's see what it's gonna do. Alright, finish. Yes, you can see it wiping. As soon as I finish countdown, it's gonna give you a reboot, and it's gonna load back to default, the way you get your phone. So just wiping right now. And yeah, we all know that BlackBerry takes a while to wipe, so just let it run right out. So let's keep watching it.